Hello and welcome to week 4. I guess it's week 4 of AMT155. That's assembly and rigging. And so this week, what are we doing this week? Hey, this is one of my favorite fishing spots, my secret fishing spot. I'm not going to tell you where it is. You can't get it out of me, but I'll tell you that it's not very close to Cincinnati. Right over there's where I got a nice little nest of bass and some crappies. There's some crappie in here, and so anyway, I'm probably going to be doing some fishing here pretty quick. So anyway, let me tell you about week 4 for assembly and rigging. We will not meet for a online lecture this week because this week, the first week of June, we're making up time for last semester's landing gear class, AMT155. If you've not signed up for a makeup time, you need to do that, or send me an email or call me because we got to make it up this week, and I have a day for Tuesday, I think, of the following week if you're out of town or you can't make it this week. So sign up for that. Now, so here's what we got to do this week. There's a few videos to watch. The reading is in chapter 2 of the airframe 8083, and that will be, that's about 5 pages of reading, so it's not hard reading. Hey, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures if you do nothing else. You need to watch the videos on that, and you also need to, we're going to discuss the different types of flaps this week, and we're also going to finish up from last week on stability and control. Dynamic stability, mainly dynamic stability. Static stability, static's the easy one. That's if you push it, it moves, right? That's static stability. But dynamic stability is where you push forward on the stick, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it comes back to stable, right? So we've got a few things on that. The things that you got to turn in for me this week, there's 2 things. Those 2 things are, there's a discussion board, and the discussion board is on what makes something unstable. And so that's in the reading. It's also demonstrated in these videos. So if you watch these videos, you can see, and I'm talking about what makes it unstable on the longitudinal axis and also on the roll axis. What makes it unstable? That's the discussion board. Now on the discussion boards, I'm going to quit giving you a required number of words. But what I am going to say is that you need to discuss this properly. And if you don't discuss it completely, then you're going to take a hit on the grade. So, discuss this. This is supposed to be interesting. This is us talking back and forth, right? Everybody says it needs to be more interactive, all right? So participate in the discussion. So use enough words. You can't do this in 2 sentences. Use enough words to explain fully what we're trying to talk about, what we're trying to explain. And then read other people's stuff and comment on it, because nobody wants to just write this stuff for a black hole and nobody's ever going to read it, right? And you can compare it to what your answer is. Now, the second thing that you owe me for this week is there's a quiz. You can take this quiz as many times as you want. So if you mess it up, go back and look. It's on this week's assignments. It's not in ASA. You're going to have to do the reading, and you're going to have to know the material to do this. So anyway, that's what we got for this week. It's not too hard of a week. Get it done on time. If you don't get it done on time, there's penalties. So, get organized. Try to do this stuff. Set a plan of action. There's a whole bunch of people who are doing a really good job, and they start out on Monday, and they figure out their time for Gary's classes, for my classes. They schedule it out, and then you go have playtime. Then you go fishing, right? I do this stuff every morning, and I do it every night. And then during the middle of the day, I can't concentrate, so I play. So anyway, that's what we got. Call me, email me if you got any problems. I'm here for you. That's my job, and we'll get this done together. So have a good week. We'll see you.